Hello, bulk Domino and Domino community. This is Leslie, and I want to submit a video to beat my last record in a 2D pyramid category, subcategory mini dominoes. So let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, here's my pyramid. Here's what it looks like from above. This is a 2D pyramid. Okay, let's get ready to topple these things. There are 210 dominoes, 20 at the base. Whoops, I guess it would help if I got my finger out of the way. So there's 20 dominoes at the base, and let's see if we can get these things to topple over. Whoop, didn't even get one moved. Well, criminally. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the 1. That's 7. So 210 minus 7 is 203 dominoes. Well, 7, 8, 9. So 201 dominoes. That was great though. Thank you for your consideration.